Currently, the transport industry is growing at an exponential rate. Therefore, the repairs and maintenances that the companies must carry out in the vehicles are also growing in the same way. In addition, the increase of the electronic systems present in the vehicles makes the need to have specialized and highly qualified professionals to develop this work. This has led the workshop to play a leading role within the fleet management, with obligation to respond to the needs of its clients in record time, so that the vehicles can get back on route. It is possible to get it? We present you Jaltest Telematics, the solution developed by Cojali and based on the experience of Jaltest Diagnostics, that takes advantage of the new technologies to communicate fleet professionals, drivers, and workshops each other, giving the possibility to easily exchange all the information necessary to speed up the decision making. How does it help you? Jaltest Telematics makes it possible to know about the vehicle state at all times, know about recommended preventive maintenances before the route, perform remote diagnostic regardless of the vehicle location, providing you everything needed and planning the repair time before the vehicle enters the workshop, know about the previous breakdowns and thus act correctly based on the experience gained in the history of the vehicle itself. With all this data, Jaltest Telematics allows you to offer predictive maintenance services to your clients and provide them with an innovative service that improves the assistance of their fleet. Now you can attract and loyal more companies by providing a unique, fast, accurate and quality treatment, saving operating costs for both parties. Join the Jaltest network and discover all its advantages.